checkpoint 5.10. The input is 23450. What is the output? Using for loop. So we are using send-out input device. Here is the input. Number is 0, sum is 0, count start from 0. And then 5 times, 1 at a time. So if you have input 2, then sum become number 2. That will be 3. 2 plus 3 become 5. Next one, 4. That become 9. 5. That become 14. Last one is 0. Then 14 plus 0 is 14. And then count is equal to 5. Less than 5, that is not true here. So sum will be 14. Count is going to be 5. I think that's all. Okay, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0. Okay, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0, same input. Sum is 14. Count is 5. That's it. Thank you.